been about a year now that we've been using the Thule Hullevator System. It's the Hullevator Pro, and you can see up here. And we thought we'd give a quick review of our likes and dislikes of it. We'll also post a link to last year's video where we installed it. It's not an installation video, but it does show you what we went through and some of the parts and pieces of putting it up there. One of the main reasons we went to the Pro and what we are probably our best like is the ease that we can take these down with, and we'll show you here in a minute. We'll do that. I'm just going to go over some things, and then we'll just give you some clips of us taking it down, putting it up and stuff. What's also nice is I can load the kayak by myself if I had to onto the thing, so that's great. The one disadvantage we have, though, and it's not the Hullevator thing, is our truck is so tall, it's way up there. We have to use both of us to haul it, to get it down. One of the other things I like is I can put the kayaks on the rack and then put all the straps on the side and then push it up. The old days, I used to have to climb on the roof basically to strap it down. We can have the kayaks down and off on the ground to ready to put it in lake in a minute or two, it seems like, on each side. And we can put them back in about 5-10 minutes. So it has really allowed us to use them more often than we did previously. The up front, and we'll show you in a minute, is in the front bow is tied to a big suction cup on the roof, and it's worked pretty good. It's come loose several times. The trick seems to be is when you change temperatures a lot or bend down a lot of rough roads or dirty roads, to take them off, clean them, and reattach them. One of the negatives is the price. They are a little expensive. I think for each side, there are one setup for one side. It's like $500 or $600. We bought them through REI so that we got, you know, the 10% rewards at the end of the year. And we did also purchase the Arrow bar and took out. We had Yakima round bars, which theoretically it'll fit on there, but we decided to change the towers and the bars over to Thule. The original track that's on the roof on top of the fiberglass top are Yakima tracks, but it is compatible with those. Here we'll show you in a minute. We'll start showing you some of the taking down and putting up, and give you a little shot of the thing on the top. Here's the kayaks in the front with the bow strap, and held on by these suction cups. Ready? Oh, they're locked. You want to turn the picture off. As you can see, we just tried to take them down with them locked. That is a good feature. You can lock the towers, and you can lock it here. So that is a nice feature. And then if you wanted to cable your kayaks, because we have a lock feature on the kayaks, down to them, it helped keep them secure. Ready and up. Ready, out. There we go. Then you can take the straps off. It's pretty easy. But we'll show you, let us show you putting it back up how easy it is before we undo that. You ready? And that's it. So the biggest time is spent putting the straps on and stuff. Out. And one thing nice about the straps, there's a place to store the extra strap and stuff. And I can reach up here and run the strap around. Okay, throw that over there. And ready? Go past Scout. Also, you can see that I pre-hang the straps. And I have them up here, and then I just take them and kind of put them back behind, and then I can set the boat up in there and pull the straps over and ready to go. One other con that's actually came up on a comment from our first video are these pads right here. They're kind of hard, so some boats, if it's like a carbon fiber or Kevlar, could be issues with it cracking. Polyethylene boats, you're probably not going to have a problem. They're a little more forgiving. But our boats are, this kayak here, it's a Hurricane, are ABS type material. So far we haven't noticed any problems. But if you did, you may want to look into some kind of softer pad or covering them with something a little softer. In case you're wondering what this is between the kayaks, that is a fly rod tube holder. It is a Thule product. It actually was made by a company called Denver Outfitters, and they have been bought by Thule, I believe. So that's for whenever I'm someplace fishing and I want to unstring my rods, I can throw them in there and they're ready for to go next day or to drive to the next site.
Taking down the kayaks for us to get out on the water for a little while can sometimes be quite the process. As a matter of fact, sometimes it takes longer to take the kayaks down and put them back up and get them all strapped in than it actually took us to ride around on the river or the lake or whatever it happens to be.
Okay, here's the rack system we've been using. It's all Yakima parts, old round bars. It's worked real good. This kayak's been up there a long time. Well, the only thing is it's really time consuming loading and unloading. I have to get a ladder out, climb on the roof almost, get all the straps in. I think we're good. What do you think?
I think so too.
Papa does all the work. I just ride.